Hello! Today, we'll be showing you how to replace the palm rest assembly in an HP14 SMB Chromebook. First, you will need a few tools. An anti-static mat is recommended to prevent electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic parts. A small, magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver will be necessary for this replacement. A spudger will also come in handy during this replacement. You can use either plastic or metal, whichever you prefer. If you have tweezers, you might also want to have them handy, as they may be useful when dealing with small parts. The first step in the palm rest assembly replacement process will be to remove the 4 small white rubber screw covers on the bottom cover. Next, you will remove all 13 bottom cover screws. Next, you will use your spudger to go around the perimeter of the palm rest assembly and carefully pry it up. Now, you will disconnect the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Next, you will disconnect the keyboard cable from the motherboard. Now that the palm rest assembly is removed, the first step in the installation of your replacement palm rest assembly will be to reconnect the keyboard cable to the motherboard. Next, you will reconnect the touchpad cable to the motherboard. Now you will snap the palm rest assembly into place on the bottom cover. Next, you will replace the 13 bottom cover screws. The final step will be to replace the 4 white rubber screw covers on the bottom cover. You have now successfully replaced the palm rest assembly on your HP Chromebook. Nice job!